Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, double warp, a beautiful silk saree with Kanjivaram borders. It's a 6 inches jacquard weaving border in a beautiful golden zari, and we have a bright red color for the pallu. Pallu have antique finish golden zari work weaving all over using a floral pattern, and the same way the blouse piece is painted using floral pattern. Very elegant pallu color blouse piece with the borders. The whole saree have the border on the light pastel red shade, which is very pretty, and the saree here is painted in very rare color, a mild orange and peach mixed shade. Beautiful color with the peacock design in the starting of the pallu. Very elegant, two peacocks, the contemporary design, and we have the peacocks here and there painted in the floral pattern all over. Beautiful Vanasingaram concept, and the colors used in the saree is completely an organic colors. Vegetable dyes extracts are used here. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. Pure organic saree here, and it is a pure painting work, not printed, completely hand penned and painted using the natural colors on the pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree, Kanjivaram soft silk double warp with beautiful 6 inches jacquard weaving border. It's a kanji border. You can see the beautiful gold zari worked border, 6 inches, and the red pallu, and on red we have golden zari work, antique finished golden zari work, fully a floral design weaved in the zari, the pallu, and we have same pallu color blouse piece with beautiful painting design. It's a lotus design pattern, water lily and water lotus plants are painted in the blouse piece. And here the saree concept is very beautiful and different. The top we have a splitting that is having the base color of yellow with floral pattern, and the lower half is completely almost a 3/4 the saree is in the water lily and the fishes concept, completely a pond version. You can see the lotuses, beautiful fishes. Elegantly it is hand painted using multiple colors. The colors used here are completely natural color dyes. Vegetable extracts are used for the painting. No form of synthetic colors are used in the saree. It's a very beautiful and different saree with a 6 inches border on the base of red, mild pastel red shade color. Beautiful painting work, and it is a very perfect saree here done on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful painting work done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with 6 inches jacquard weaving border, a beautiful kanji border. You can see peacocks and beautiful traditional weaving design in the border, and we have red blouse piece and pallu. Pallu have very elegant gold zari work, an antique finished zari used all over, and we have the blouse piece which is also painted beautifully using deep blue and black threads all over, and the saree here is in very beautiful sandal base color itself. The original tussar color, the sandal color is given in the saree, the pure silk color, and you can see the starting of the pallu we have the peacock design painted, and rest of the saree we have the floral design all over. It is painted using the very elegant natural color dyes, completely florals only, no birds or something. It's a floral design hand painted using vegetable color dyes. Vegetable extracts are used here. No form of synthetic chemicals used on the saree with a 6 inches beautiful zari border, and that is weaved and on the base of a mild red shade color. Elegant saree, pure Penkalamkari on pure Kanjivaram soft silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on pure Kanjivaram soft silk with very elegant 6 inches jacquard border all over the saree with a beautiful pallu. The pallu is a dual toned color here, orange and pink mixed pallu with golden zari weaving, a floral pattern over the pallu, very elegant one with light hand painting work at the edge. And we have the blouse piece which is also in the pallu color, and we have the border design done in the blouse piece also, and we have beautiful hand painting work in the blouse piece. It's a floral design all over floral, and the saree here is painted in blue, deep ink blue color, really pretty beautiful color. On it the all over floral design work is done, and the starting of the pallu alone we have the peacocks inside the mango design, and all over the saree we have the florals with here and there peacock design done. Really pretty one. You can see it's a natural color dye one, so the colors will not be even as in the synthetic dyes. It is a very natural. You can see only vegetable dyes are used here, and we have a border that is in 6 inches and the contrast orange color base. Golden zari used for the border weaving. Very elegant pen kalamkari traditional saree on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful soft silk double warp with kanji borders, checkered border, contrast pallu. The pallu is in a light green color, a very different pastel green with very beautiful gold zari weaving, rich pallu, and we have same color blouse piece. Blouse piece have lotus design hand painted. The saree have buttas as well, gold and silver zari buttas. You can see basically we have the butta design on it. The color of the saree itself is a green here with the border design, jacquard border design in light pale green. Very beautiful hand painting work, pen kalamkari traditional hand painting work, floral pattern is done in the saree beautifully with natural organic colors. Completely organic saree it is, no form of chemicals used here. Pure form of pen kalamkari, hand written and hand painted on a pure Kanjivaram silk with beautiful gold zari checkered weaving border, and we also have butta designs weaved with the meena work, very elegant one, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree, a beautiful Kanjivaram soft silk double warp one with a contrast pallu. Here we have a navy blue color pallu with gold and silver zari work, very grand design. The border of the saree is really grand. The same color blouse piece. Blouse piece have just a border design. Completely weaved design it is. The border is beautiful design, and we have an elegant, completely heavily hand painted design in the pen kalamkari itself. You can see the mermaid concept, ancient, beautiful sculptural design. Figures completely drawn in a pond concept. You can see the blue, a sea blue color is given in the background, green and blue mixed color, and the lotuses and all the sea plants are given here with the mermaid and fishes as well. Very elegant one. Beautiful concept, completely hand painted using natural organic color dyes. A perfect organic saree, pure form of pen kalamkari, traditional hand painting and hand writing method using natural vegetable dyes, and it comes with beautiful silk saree, and it is completely with silk mark certificate from Central Silk Board. Thank you. Pure pen kalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful jacquard weaving border, pen kalamkari kanji soft silk. It is a completely hand painted beautiful collection with the pallu in dual tone color. Here you can see a beautiful gold zari weaving pallu, and it is a floral design weaved using golden zari with borders in both sides, which is a 6-inch border, a jacquard weaving border, and we have painting design in the corner of the pallu, and we have the pallu tassels already made, and the pallu color blouse piece is given with all over hand painted work in the blouse piece also. It's a floral design, very pretty design, beautifully done with the borders along with it. And the saree here is in beautiful green. It is painted in green actually, light green color, and all over the saree we have the floral pattern. With lower pattern we have the peacock design. The peacock is inside a beautiful mango pattern, really beautiful color and design. Completely it is painted using natural color dyes. The original form of pen kalamkari done on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark.